Hello, and welcome to a tutorial. Today, we will be going over how to make a TP block. As you can see here, the block works in such a way where you get teleported from side to side once to step on it, and you don't continuously touch it. Make sure to watch the full video, so I can explain how it works and you aren't just copying my code. So to start, add two blocks in the workspace to be your teleport blocks. I named mine part 1 and part 2, but yours can be whatever you want. After this, make a script inside of the server script servic and start coding. Now that you have made your script, start by making two variables using the local command. I named them part 1 and part 2. Make sure to change the workspace, part 1 to whatever your part is. For example, if your part is teleport block, you would do gane.workspace.teleport block. This tutorial uses CFrame, but Vector 3 also works as well. CFrame I just found easier to understand for beginners. Next, add the debounce boolean, which will act as the way to stop the user from teleporting forever. If debounce is true, teleporting will work, but if debounce is false, teleporting will not work. Next, create a function using your part name.touch::connect function, and in parentheses add the world player. This function activates whenever something touches the part, and that something will be labeled player, which for our purposes I call a player. The script then checks if the player has a child, or inside of the player, a humanoid, which is inside of every user. If the object does not have a humanoid inside of it, it is not a player and does not get teleported. The script then checks if debounce is active, which is set above stops them from teleporting back and forward forever. Next, you want to make the user's position the other part's position, which can be used by saying player CFrame is equal to the other part CFrame. This teleports the player, the main function. Next, you want to make debounce false. So if the player touches a teleport block, they do not get teleported. Debounce can be any word, but debounce is most commonly used and easier for reading code. Next, you want to wait whatever amount you want the player to wait before teleporting again. Personally, I like around 4 seconds, but you can change the amount of seconds to whatever you wish. Test it a bit. Lastly, you want to make debounce true, so you can teleport again. You then want to add a else statement for if they are trying to teleport too fast. For this, we will just say a simple error message. That finishes the basic function, and to make the other part functional, all you have to do is copy and paste, reversing the part names. In the meantime, I will explain most of the code here for absolute beginners. The function starts by checking if it is touched. If it is, it connects a function, in which you add the statement player. Player can be any object, which is why we check for a humanoid. If the object is a humanoid, that means they must be a user. If they are a user, the script then changes the CFrame, or basically position, of a player to part 2, or the other part's CFrame. This teleports the player to the other part. It then makes debounce false, which stops the player from instantly to ping back, and waits for seconds. After the 4 seconds are up, it sets debounce as true again, which gives them the ability to teleport again. It is a simple script, but can be hard for beginners. If you have any issues, or find this helpful, please drop a comment and leave a like. Make sure to subscribe too. I will try to respond to every comment to help you out if you had any issues. If you had any suggestions, I will also try to showcase them. Time for testing, and you can see it works. If you are a starter watching this video, I highly recommend you finish your game. Even if it sucks, make sure just to finish the game. You can do it. I believe in you, and good luck. Have a great day, and good luck in your coding adventure. Until we meet again.